Nokia 6600 assembly. Make sure to be connected to your ESD wristband. You need SRT6 and 9 and SS12, torque driver with Torx size 6 plus bit, a Torx plus size 6 driver, and tweezers. Place locking lever into its guidance carefully. Note the correct position of the gap while placing the microphone. And place the connector into B cover. Place IR window. And vibromotor correctly. Prevent bending the spring contacts while clicking the antenna assy into its place. Position power button correctly. Use the SS12 to prevent damages at spring contacts while assembling the VGA camera. Note the correct position of VGA camera. Place a new foam tape. And remove its tape. Mind the gap while placing the earpiece. Always use a new baseband shielding gasket if the old one was removed. Press down all clamps in their guiding pins by use of tweezers. Note that the grounding clip is correctly positioned. Place LCD to UI support frame. Remove the protecting film before placing the LCD top shield. Prevent touching the surface of the LCD. Make sure that plastic clips are locked. Always protect LCD with a film. Place engine module into B cover. Note the guiding pins. Place the UI support frame assy and click it into place. Verify the proper connection of LCD connector. Tighten all screws in the order shown. For correct torque, refer to the latest torque list. Do not forget the joystick hat. Remove the protecting film and place the key mat to the A cover. Remove protecting film from LCD and place the module into A cover. Ensure that all clamps are correctly positioned and no gaps remain. Place the camera ornament after removing protecting film from camera window. Complete phone with C cover and check window and LCD for cleanness.